Are you looking for a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home in Moorpark with nearly 1,800 square feet, located on a cul-de-sac and just steps away from the neighborhood pool? Welcome to 13070 View Mesa. I'm Larry Watson with Larry Watson Homes at RE/MAX, and I want to show you this property. Come on in, let's take a look around. Welcome to this wonderful home. I hope you enjoyed the tour of this home. This home is located at 13070 View Mesa Street, Moorpark. This home has 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, conveniently located on a cul-de-sac with a large backyard and just steps away from the neighborhood pool and park. For more information or a private tour, feel free to give me a call. The number is 805-660-8219. I'm never too busy to take your call. Hashtag Larry Watson Homes. Find me everywhere on the internet. And remember, strategy matters, experience matters, but you matter most. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.